Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have the iPhone 12 in purple. I'll let you guys get a good look at the box. Let's get into it. It looks like a violet color. It's a lot lighter than the blue, as you can see. The sides are a lot lighter too. They're a lot more shiny. This is a lot lighter. This one's darker instead of the lighter. It also doesn't look matte like this. This one actually has a shiny background. We have the charger, which you still cannot use with the old charging blocks. You have to use the new ones. Designed by Apple in California. You can never forget the sticker about the iPhone safety, battery, and charging. And this is the ejector tool for the SIM card. I was expecting the purple to be a darker purple, but I think this is a good purple, actually. I like this. Let you guys get a good sound. See? It's nice and pretty. That seems to be the end of our video. Thank you guys for joining us today. If you guys have any suggestions for other unboxings, please comment down below. Catch you guys next time.